Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find comments and dimensions on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So first of all, click on Rednote and here you will find the messages section on the bottom on the right. Click on it. So as you see here, you will find the comments and mentions section. Here you can manage this as you like. And that's it. Here also you will find this, you can discover friends, chats with your friends here, as you see. And also you can find the new followers right here in the middle. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.